Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharma, and today we are gonna draw something related to ocean, as I love the sun and I've always been a great fan of ocean and the waves. So I was thinking that I would make something of that because I've never done that before. I have noticed that I don't have something related to ocean in my sketchbook, and I really wanted ocean in my life and in my sketchbook too. So as I was searching for that, and I saw the Great Wave. Oh, this is a famous painting and everybody else is doing it, but not because everybody else is doing it, but because I wanted to do it for a long period of time, and I also want to do the Starry Night. So I was thinking that why not? I also wanted to try some Japanese art, so here it is in a combo of everything. And yeah, then I decided I'll make it, and yes, I laid out all the colors are there, but I used only a few of them. So in this painting I used Persian blue for the darker shade and cerulean blue for the lighter shade, though I have to add some titanium white to the cerulean blue for the more lighter shade, and I used black and white, and that is the flesh tint that I'm using for the sky. Yeah, I was really enjoying this process, and yesterday I'm not using my masking tape because that masking tape is not doing good with my sketchbook and it's peeling off my paper. So I thought that it's better if I'll not use them and make a border, but I think from next time I'm not gonna make that border too. Anyways, I'm just using a different shade of blue to make it look more good, I guess. And trying to match it with the reference that I had. So yeah, I'm using if you are wondering about the medium, it's a gouache and a round brush. You can use whichever round brush you wish to. And I'm using a yellow orch out there for the boat, and a lighter shade of yellow orch only. So I said that not many colors have been used, and this is very good tutorial for the beginners. There's the gray shade so that it would look more stormy and match the reference photo more. So I've been using that, and after making everything and thinking that it's looking good, I wanted to make it more fantasy type, I guess. So I used my black pen and started drawing all over, making sketches or borders over there and here and there, and I like that. I like doing that. I always wanted that. Nothing realistic, more sort of fantasy type, and yeah, I'm doing it. And it's not a branded pen or something like that, it's just a usual gel pen. It's a usual gel pen. You can see it everywhere. You can find it in a stationery shop nearby and you can use it. And that is my white pen, and as I was looking at its name, it is Jerry Roll, and I was shocked to know that, but it's from Japan only. Okay, but everything was matching up. Yeah, everything was matching up, and that's actually pink. And I really like that white color, so it's making it more good. And it's a side view from here that I'm showing to you. Photos are really important, I guess. And this is me and my painting. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my videos, then do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.